Hello everyone, how to totes? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called HiWaifu AI Friend and Waifu Hub. So basically this is AI app, roleplay AI app like virtual journey, chat and roleplay with AI character, chatbot powered by AI. So if you look at the info about this app, then you can see here 4.3 rating out of 5, 44K reviews, 50 megabytes size of the app, and 1 million plus people already use this app. You can get this app from Google Play Store and App Store. Like if you want to see the more feature, like here you can see find soulmate. You can find soulmate here. AI initiated chat, you can chat with role play. AI voice chat, create AI bot, you can create role play with me. So basically if you feel lonely and bored, then you can use this app. You'll get here many uh, robot to chat with you, and many people give the good ratings here, so you can try. And you can get this app and download this app from Google Play Store and App Store, so you can check it there. So I'll create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. So today's no more, and see you the next video.